where my diehards at. No Willis, but my real diehard fans. Since I switched, it's like nobody can give a shit. Guess I was more worried on just trying to create a hit and forgetting what had got me to this point. Countless women giving digits, so I lost the fucking fort. But I'm not gonna stop, yeah, I'm back to reality. Tired of going online, seeing everybody attacking me. I'm tired of being somebody that I really wasn't. Smashing girls by the dozen, but we can't hold hands in public. Cause people judge, and I hate judging. I'm like the bottom of your building, straight buzzing. They know I got it, so what the hell am I waiting for? I was waiting for the pass, but fuck it, I can't wait no more. I'm going for the block, my turn. Interception, home court, my ball. I'm the shit. Indigestion, just remember who I was. Don't remember me from me now. I changed over the past 2 years, as you see now. A little more arrogant, a little more cocky. Sold out New York last week. Call me Jeremy Shockey. Tired of seeing everybody I love struggle to pay up. Counting pennies in between couches looking for pay stubs. I thought that by this time I would be more than damn paid. My bank account looking nice, my family ain't okay, but I'm trying to save up for college. Excuse me for trying to make a hit. Since I was a dumbass, I ruined my fucking scholarship. Cause smoking trees seemed way more important than getting some good grades, so now I'm paying for it high. So can you bear with me like Yogi? Or at least try to listen up slowly. I know I haven't been myself in a minute, but I'm back in this bitch, so nobody forget it. We making memories for years, total recall. Drinking so much that my pores are sweating liquor. A young kid doing teenage shit with so much problems on my mind, I'm stressing harder than pavements. If I sing, you gon' say that I am way too emotional. If you don't like my music, just change it, cause I got no control over you or anything you do. I'm tired of going online and seeing my YouTube full of screw you, F you. Wow, man, you suck now, but there's a meaning behind every song.